Hi, this is Ben, and I'm opening up the portable paper cutter and trimmer. On the back side of this, there are instructions on how to utilize the paper cutter. Pretty sturdy plastic. There's foam feet. It won't damage the tabletop that you're using. It does come with 3 different blades. These are just spare blades. To take these out, you pull apart these plastic pieces here where they're sitting, and they will remove. So these are all identical. They're just replacement blades. You can store those away. Now the blade here is a safety blade, so it's tucked up underneath there, and it only will reveal once this is pushed down. So that's a nice safety feature. As far as the gliding, it glides pretty well back and forth here. The paper cutter itself has rulers here, including inches and centimeters, and it has a centimeter grid, and then there are 45, 60, 75, and 90 degree angles here. So if you need to cut a 45 degree angle, you can just line up your paper with these lines and use that as a guide. It does fit as A4 size paper, and the way you can use this with longer pieces of paper is to pull this top part up, and it extends out, and you can use this as the guide. The measures do extend onto this. The way this works is this plastic piece will pull up. Here's a side angle to show you. You can slip your paper in, close this down, run the blade across while you're pushing down, lift it up. Nice, clean, even cut. All right. I have some cardstock here. I need to cut this into thirds. 4 1/4. Cuts cardstock without any problem. And it's small, it's portable. It could fit down into a computer bag or a carrying case or your craft bin or wherever you'd like to keep it. It's got a nice thin profile and additional blades. This is a great compact paper trimmer. I hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.